Welcome to your Plygt dashboard. Since you just finished onboarding, let's take a quick tour of the app. So we're starting on your services page, basically where all the magic lives. This is where you set up your haircut, your fades, whatever services you provide to your clients. So let's go ahead and add a new service so you can see how easy it is. Click on new service. I'm going to add a new service. I'm going to call it fade, like that. I'm going to give it a price of $20.87, very precise. Here I'm going to give it a 30-minute duration and a color to distinguish it from other services. Let's say green. Upload a new file, or sorry, a new image, like this one here, and add a description, fade description. There you go. Once I click save, fade will be saved, and you'll be able to see it here. Just as we've easily added a service, we can also edit it. So if we click on the kebab menu here, we'll be presented with two options, edit or delete. We're interested in edit, so let's pick that. And here we'll change the description to something else, description 2. If I save that, you'll see the result here. Now, once you have your services dialed in, your clients need to actually book them, which brings us to your calendar. Here we are in the calendar page. This is where you'll be able to see the appointments that you have with your clients. Currently it is empty, so the first thing we would like to do is register some hours of operations. In order to do that, we'll click on the settings button, where we'll be presented with the active working days, so Monday to Sunday. Here we can choose whatever day we want to work. So let's say I want to work on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and even Thursday here. From Thursday, you'll notice that I work from 12 to 3, but the other day is 9 to 5. Let's close that. And as you can see here, my working days have been highlighted. The highlighted area is where your appointments with your clients will appear. In the event that I would like to have a break, say for example, Monday at 12, from 12 to 1, I can click and drag here, or I can just click, but I'll click and drag, and I can choose to have it not be repeated. So only this Monday will I'll have a break, or I can choose to repeat it daily. So every Monday I will have a break, or weekly on Monday. So every Monday I will have a break. So let's go weekly on Monday, for example. Let's do that. Let's register it. So now, because I have a break in this slot here, none of your clients will be able to book an appointment with you from 12 all the way to 1. And if I go to a different week, you'll notice that I have Monday as a break from 12 to 1 every time. I can click here and there if I want to delete it. And there you go. Now that our hours of operations and our services have been set up, let's check out our profile page. I'm going to go click here on profile page. So this is your profile page, and one of the first things you may have noticed is you have a featured image that can easily be changed or updated by clicking on the edit photo here. And you can choose from existing media, one that you've already uploaded, or you can choose from your computer up here. Moving on, you can also see the services are being showcased there. The one that we added earlier is right there. If I wanted to update my bio, you can see it's there. I can click update there and I can add whatever. I'm not going to do that. You can also customize your services. That means some services, if you have a lot of services and you want to show these ones here, you can come and click here. For example, the one that we just added, we can uncheck that, check this one here, save, and now this one will no longer show. And the one that I added, which is this one here, will display for you. Moving on, as you can see here, we have a gallery where we can showcase our work. Clicking anywhere on the gallery will open up a modal where we can take a closer look at your work. You may have noticed that at the top there are a bunch of categories. If I click on any of them, it will show up the haircut for that specific category. So in this instance, for shaves, we have this haircut. Let's say I wanted to go to haircuts. Here, sometimes you won't find anything. That's because you haven't set it up yet. So let's do that right now. So in order to set that up, I'll click on Manage Media, which will take me to the media page. And here, I can click on any of the images that I've already uploaded. So say, for example, this one here. And then I can go and look at the categories there, click on that, and then choose whatever category I want to associate this image with. So for example, I want to say this is for, we said, haircuts and traditional. So this one. Let's say I wanted to add yet another one, say this one too. I can have it in haircuts and traditional as well. And let's have a third one, this one, also in haircuts traditional. Now if I go back to my profile page, I click anywhere on the gallery, open up the modal, go and find the category, which is haircuts. We click on that, and here you'll see, there you go, the images that I added earlier. This is a very powerful way of showcasing your work to your clients via categorization. You may have also noticed that there are featured images here. Let's say, for example, I wanted to change this image here, the blue one, to something else. Once again, I will go to Management Media, find that image here, where it says featured, I uncheck that. So now this person is no longer being featured. And let's say I wanted, how about this guy here to be featured? Click there. Now, as you can see, it's being featured with the blue link here. So now if I go back to my profile page, you'll notice that the blue version is gone and the new one has been featured there. It's as simple as that. And that's your Plygt dashboard. You've got everything you need to keep your business organized and your clients happy. Take some time to explore, set up your services how you like them, and take some time to experiment. This is your space now. If you run into any questions, we're here to help, and thanks for choosing Plygt.